Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that how to create Leonardo AI account. The process is straightforward and effortless. The only thing you have to do is open a browser in your PC and after it write in the search bar icon Leonardo AI. After writing, search for it. And here you can see the official website of Leonardo. Tap on it and in the home page of website you can see the option create an account. Tap on it. So here are the ways by which you can create a new account on Leonardo. The first one is with Apple account and the second one is with Google. The third one is with Microsoft, and if you have another email except these three, then here write that email and password. But I will create my account on Leonardo with Google, so that's why I will choose Google. My account is already signed in this browser, so that's why it did not ask about confirmation. But if your Google account or any other account is not logged in the browser, then it will ask about the confirmation of that email. And after the confirmation, your account on Leonardo will be created. So it was the basic way by which you can create Leonardo AI account.